king in that country, many people, one lady was there. She never used to tell lie. She was very honest. Her honesty was rewarded everywhere. Every people, they know it. One day what happened, this king was very much what is called he wanted to make her to lie. So what he did, he was going to play a trick on her, and he called her, and he called her, and he was standing with his horse. So he told her, you please go and tell your queen I am going to hunting, I am going for hunt. So before that, what he did, one of his legs he put on the horse, other side of the horse, and one of his leg was on the floor. Got it now? You understood? His one of his leg was means there was a mane, and what is called that stirrup. He put his one of his leg on the stirrup, another was on the ground. So and she told, okay, sure, that then I will go and inform her. So with a very politely, she went to the queen and told the queen, my dear queen, I wanted to tell you something. Our king, he was going for hunting. I am not sure about it. One of his leg was on the stir, another was on the ground. When I went from there, he put another leg on the stir, or the leg which he put already, he put it on the ground. That I am not sure about it. Actually, whatever she saw over there, she came and narrated. And after that, he went to her hut. And next day, when king called the queen, yes, what did that lady, the honest lady, what did she tell you? Then she told that, she told in this way, she didn't tell you, she didn't tell about you. You went to hunting. She told one of your leg was on the stair, other was on the ground. You put both legs on the stair, or you put both legs down the floor. That is, she didn't know. Whatever she saw, that is what she came and narrated. Then he understood that if we are honest, we never lie. Any matter, any position, wherever you are, you try to tell the truth. You never get a chance to lie. If you get a chance to lie also, you will tell the truth only. Then he understood we cannot make a person who is a honest person, we can't make her to lie. That is the lesson he learned from that lady. That is my story. Clap your hands.
Wow. Within 2 minutes you narrated the story. Oh my God,
Yes,
really
2 minutes
amazing.
I completed. So, Montu, you have to understand how much I struggled. Amita ma'am, have you understood?
Yeah, okay. Going to tell you that.
And I got
Thank
it.
you so
And
much.
definitely in this story we can learn a wonderful thing, that is we should not lie any kind of situation. We must be in truth.
We must be honest. Be
Yeah,
honest.
must be
That is the lesson I
and
taught you.
being honest and truth.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much,
Thank,
Bimlaji.
thank
You
you.
narrate with your confidence.
Yeah, that confidence is there. Montu, if I tell anything, if you're wrong answer, I have the confidence. That is what you have to appreciate me.
Yeah, that's I always extol you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, so Amita ma'am, I hope that you got it. Now it's your turn.
Okay. So I'm telling about when I was in Muzaffarpur, my and my family are in Patna. That time we have to uh, uh, come when the vacation. Uh, when the vacation, we used to come to see my family. With me, my youngest son. So once we all were returning from from the Patna to Muzaffarpur, we reached the station through the train. My and there we were uh, looking for the rickshaw that for go to the home. Unfortunately, it was summer day, so there was no any rickshaw. So my husband was going to a few steps forward ahead to look for the rickshaw. In between, my son was left from me. We didn't think that my child would go anywhere. My child, when he was my son, when he was alone, then he also thought that I'm going to look for the rickshaw for my parents or me. So when then at all I got rickshaw, and we were looking for my son, but I didn't get him. Then we were very worried and came to my home thinking that maybe he could come at home, but here also he wasn't there. Then all of us was worried. In between, my son was coming by on foot, and her cheeks were red, and he was sweating. And then he came here. Then we both of us took him and asked what happened. He told that what would I say when I was looking for the rickshaw? I couldn't get. One person wanted to kidnap me. Then I afraid. Then I get afraid. What would I do? And I didn't find few people. Then one person who is husband and wife was going anywhere. So I took the husband's hand and told him, "Hello, Papa. Where are you? When we would reach the home." The person was astonished who called me Papa, but he was thinking that if I couldn't say Papa, then can that person kidnap me? So that he told that person Papa. And when they were asking why did you nervous, what is, then told her that no, I was sorry. I thought you were my Papa, and I ran away my towards my home. So now I'm here. So I escaped from the kidnapping. We will we will say the God thanks, because it was very crucial possession if he were kidnapped. But her, uh, her 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 mind was worked very, very good, and he did good work and saved up by himself. That's the things I tell you. Thank you.
Okay, it was horrible story, horrible moment for you. Because your son, it was your son, am I right? Who was missing?
Yeah, my son was.
So you all were, concerned about your son, like where he has gone, all that thing.
Yeah,
But yeah, because of his, I think he's very young, so that's the reason he just missed to follow you, and
he
that's
was
the reason.
he was only 6 years old.
Okay, yeah, that's very young.
Mm, 6 year
Yeah.
old.
Okay, yeah, it was not funny, but it is really story, and it is very serious, because I can feel you at that time. What you are thinking, what you are like thinking, and like what say your emotion. All family were worried about it at that time.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Amita ma'am, to share your narrating your story with us.
Oh,
So I think it's my turn. After that, Jayanti and Bisal Raj, you are also going to narrate any kind of story. You must prepare. So yeah. So I'm going to narrate one story that is, uh, one day a gold plate fell from the sky, and it was a surprise for all villagers. A boy read these words on the plate. It was written like God gift for his best servant. Then the boy picked it, so it turned into lead. When the boy put it down, it turned into gold again. So it was surprise for all villagers. Then soon all villagers were informed and they gathered in one place, and after that one by one they started touching the plate. But very soon it cleared that no one of villagers got best servant. After some month passes, and one day a poor farmer came into that village, and the priest asked him, "My good man, what's bring you here?" The poor farmer said him, "I want to pray for my strength. I uh, I want to feed food for poor people as well as my fellow beings." So the priest asked him that you don't know about gold plate. So the poor farmer said, "No, I don't know about this the gold plate." So after soon the priest said to him and asked him to uh, come in the temple. So he entered in the temple, and he touched the plate, but the plate did not turn into lead. It was remain gold. So it was surprise for all villagers people that simple man, like the simple man was the best servant of God, and he did not know his own greatness, that he was very kind for living beings, as well as he worked as a nurse for illness people and old people. So it indeed that the poor farmer is God best servant. So in this story we can learn one thing, that is if you want to be a best human, so it's indicate our behavior with peoples, how we show, how we talk, how we help to each others, all those thing. So if people thinking only to if we worship the God, then we are only God best fellow, but fellow, or we can say like best son. But I don't think it's so, that if we help to each others, if we associate with each others any kind of situation, it means it indicate that we are kind and honest and humble for each and everyone. So it is also called, it is real call that we are God best son and servant. So all about from this story. Thank you to listening me.
Yeah, good lesson.
Yeah. So yeah, Jayanti and Bisal and Sai Kumar, today we are narrating a story. So whatever you want to narrate a story, you can continue.
Thank you. After a long time, I joined today, feeling very